Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we are doing a different kind of a video than we usually are, because as promised in the previous video, we will be actually trying this face mask. This is the Holler and Glow Babes of Paradise Hydrating Pink Peel Off Mask, and I have no idea where you can buy it. I will make sure I include that information below, so check out the let's read up on this a little bit more. As you see, this is the container here that you get. I am pretty sure that you get 10 milliliters. This contains aloe vera, and let's see the direction for use. Use once or twice a week. Apply an even layer onto clean dry skin. Already washed and dried my skin. Avoiding the eye area, eyebrows, hairline and lips. Leave for 20 minutes or until completely dry. Gently peel off the mask from the outer edges and wipe off any residue with warm water. Caution: discontinue use if skin sensitivity or irritation occurs. Wash product off immediately. If irritation persists, then consult a physician. That doesn't make me feel at ease, considering I do have sensitive skin. If we actually go and read the whole ingredient list, we can see that the first ingredient is water, then we have alcohol, then we have another alcohol, then we have another alcohol, then we have synthetic then another alcohol, then another alcohol, chlorphenicin, another alcohol, perfume. So basically this contains a lot of alcohol. So it advises on here that this is a single-use mask made in Thailand. Yeah, we will be applying it together and see if it does anything, basically. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate this top? Some of you might know that I am a big fan of anime, but yeah, I love this top anyway. Also, I thought I switch it up from the top that I usually wear. Also, I do apologize if you notice any white things in my hair. I don't know if ever before it made it into the video, but I have pretty bad eczema in some places of my body, and I have really bad eczema on the head area. Yeah, so sorry if you're bothered, but that's what I have and I have to live with it, so I apologize if it bothers you. So yeah, we will actually just get right into it. I will shake this up so that whatever it settled hopefully unsettles. And I will scoop you closer and we shall try this mask on and see if it does anything. It smells like alcohol, if I'm being honest. That's how it looks like when you open it up. There you go. I'm sure you can apply it with your fingers or whatever, but I'm just gonna take a clean, flat kind of a brush. Try to apply. Ooh. It did say not to put it close to the eyes, and I can definitely feel the alcohol basically evaporating from the mask. I would say it's like a burning sensation in the eyes, so I will keep it at this distance. I think if you have very sensitive eyes, I would recommend to keep it even further away from the eyes that I have done. I definitely made a point to use up the entire mask. Now it is empty, as you can see, and I think that if you follow the instructions and don't have 3 times larger face than I do, you will definitely find that there is definitely enough in here for one-time use. It does dry down really quickly, I figured while I was applying it, and you definitely do not want to go over the same area that you have applied the mask already over and over again, because it's just gonna crunch up the mask. But yeah, I think in certain areas already pretty dry, or it's getting there. I did take my time with it because I did want to apply even amount all over my face. I do feel like it might be a little too thick in certain parts because, well, I tried to use up the entire mask. I didn't want to waste any. I guess now all we have to do is just sit and wait till this dries, and I will give you update soon. I just wanted to come on here quickly just to let you know that while the mask is drying, it's almost dry now, I reckon maybe 10 more minutes. I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes now, and the mask is starting to get a little bit tighter. It's definitely dry around my mouth where I've been talking, and also there's a thinner layer around there, so that's definitely dry already. But I will say that as soon as it started to dry down properly, I did feel a slight burning sensation. It wasn't bad burning. If you have really sensitive skin, you will probably know what I'm talking about. But it's just that kind of uncomfortable where you're not sure whether it's cold or hot kind of a tingly sensation, but it's not just like a little tingle, but it's actually like really uncomfortable. It hasn't come to the point where I feel like I need to remove the mask. I don't think it's that bad, but I would definitely probably advise that the first time you're trying this mask out, you put a thinner layer like I did here around my mouth, because the longer it's drying, the more I'm itching to get this off. So that's just a piece of advice from me if you have sensitive skin. But yeah, I'll check back with you in about hopefully 10 minutes when this is dry, and we're gonna take it off together and see if it's worth it. I've been sitting here for longer than 20 minutes, and oh my god. Ooh. I think some of the mask is dry and some of it isn't, so I'm just gonna see if I can get it all off, hopefully in one piece. Where apply the most thickest patches. This was supposed to be a hydrating mask. I don't know whether it looks any different on camera at all. I will be honest that my skin feels, I wouldn't really say this has been a moisturizing experience. I mean, my skin does feel a little tacky almost to the touch. I do feel like I look a little bit more shinier than I did before, but I don't really feel hydrated, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And my skin still feels a little agitated from the mask. I really can't tell much of a difference. My skin feels a little, as I said, a little agitated. Other than that, I don't know how much this has done. It did say that you can use this once or twice a week, so I don't know whether you would have to use this mask for a certain amount of time before you see a result. But if anything else fails, it is really entertaining. I don't think I would buy it for myself just because of how sensitive my skin is naturally. I don't know if it done anything or not. I mean, with peel-off masks, I find it quite difficult to tell whether it done anything beneficial to my skin or not. But yeah, just due to that tingly, almost burning like sensation, I wouldn't buy it again. If you have sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't recommend buying that particular mask. But yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed this type of a video. I would not recommend it if you have sensitive skin, but let me know if you've tried it out, whether you liked it or not. And yeah, let me know if you like this type of a video, and I might do more. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, evening or night whenever you're watching this. And I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!